Messaging in Canvas is really easy. You'll see at the bottom right hand side of the screen that I have an inbox here. If I tap on that, it looks really just like some regular email. It functions just like email normally would. So I have my messages on the left hand side. I would tap on one if I want to read one. If I want to write one to my teacher, I would hit the plus sign up on the left hand side of the screen. I would choose what course I want to send this to, or where that teacher might be. And then I would add in the teachers in there. Always give it a subject line. And then politely address your teacher. Once you are finished with that, you're going to hit send in that upper right hand corner.